Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your TikTok account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, log into your TikTok. After that, what you want to do is click on this three dot under your profile. From here, click on settings again. Now click on accounts and click on verification. Now, as you can see, the request verification has been sent. You have to meet basic requirement. You should meet the requirement that includes having a username, bio and profile photo, verified your phone number and email, and turn off private account. After that, click next and follow along the prompts. That's how you can verify your TikTok account. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.